Hello YouTube, I am Kesden Duncan, and today, as you can see, I got a haircut. It's pretty styling if you know what I mean. It's gotten edged and whatever and stuff, and my hair's curly as always, so that was a quick little update on my hair. But today, the real video is Michonne, the Walking Dead pop vinyl figure. As you can see, she is pretty dope. And the actress that played Michonne was also in Black Panther, which was a pretty decent movie. And it was good. So I'm going to start unboxing now. Inside of the box, just typical cardboard and whatever. Ooh, that was a nice unbox, if you know what I mean. And the back, it's all brown and it's actually a pretty cool brown color. It's like a poncho or something. Ooh, wow. Not a bobblehead. I thought she was a bobblehead. But look at the detail on her. I don't know if you can see on this camera, but there's a little pattern, and it's bumpy. And there's a little pointy thing right there that makes it point, so you can just you can hold on to it. Okay, you can't hold on to it, but that's whatever. And it looks like a pretty solid pop vinyl Funko Pop figure. And look on the bottom. It's like a circular cutout of her head. So I guess they just take the machine and they go and then they screw on the head. And she does not have a mouth, but whatever. We love her in the show, I guess. I've never seen The Walking Dead, but I guess Michonne has a disease that makes her not have a mouth. I don't know, it's weird. Whatever. But look, it's her signature katana with blood on it, and her fist has blood on it too. So it's very detailed. It's blood splattered. The katana. And it's pretty cool. I mean, just a katana, I guess. And look at the bottom. As you can see, the serial number, it's A178. And on the background, oh, it's a machete. I just learned. I have someone in the room with me. But don't! In the next video, I'll reveal who they are. And it's actually, I guess, a machete. I thought it was a katana. Whatever. But that's the figure. She has some blood on her. I don't know. She has a pretty stocky build. It's pretty cool. I guess. She has boots on. And that's cool. She looks almost Egyptian-like. With her braids and her weird forehead thing. I don't know. That's cool. But I found something. I'm going to put it back in the box. Time lapse. Woo, woo, woo. How the day go? Shit. Okay. Whatever. Oh. Wait. Whatever. Okay. Put her back in the box. She's hard to get in the box. Okay. There we go. And just. Oh my gosh. Did I break it? I'm gonna take it out. That's weird. Oh, I need to stick her in place. Well, that's interesting, I guess. see. Wait. Do I? No. Okay. There we go. I got her in the box. That's cool. But I just saw something on this desk, and it looks to be a Namco gun. Pew pew! Pew pew! Pretty cool. It's not an unbox. Oh, it's for PlayStation. The original PlayStation. Double unboxing, guys. And there's going to be another video. Daily upload. Or technically a triple upload because I just uploaded another one. But this is cool. Pew pew! Pew pew! I'm shooting you guys. Ha ha! Okay, that's pretty cool. It's old-fashioned AF, bro. That's pretty cool, I guess. So, it has a lot of fine detailing. There are buttons on there, and you can press them. I don't know what they're for, but maybe you just hold them down and then you can shoot. Or maybe they're for reloading. They're for reloading, I guess, because there's an expert. He's dead now. I really killed him. That was pretty. I think he just fell and died. And here, I'm trying to get this to 10 minutes. So here's a measuring tape. This is getting actually really boring. So I'm gonna go now.